Hey guys, what's going on? So Easter's coming up, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami Easter egg flicker. And before I show you that, I'm going to show you another model I just designed. Check it out. You might have seen this in my other video. This is an origami vase, and it's got two eyes, and you can put stuff inside. And I'm going to teach this in a couple weeks, but meanwhile, yep, you guessed it, I'm going to show you how to make this Easter egg flicker that I just designed. And this is how it flies. Ooh, it just landed in the tub. Yeah, I'm in the bathroom, by the way. Ooh, I just got water on it. It's okay, I can make another one. Pretty good. Okay, would you like to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this Easter egg flicker that landed in the bathtub, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you can use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make precise folds and crease strongly. And fold in half this way. Yep, we're making a square base. And take this point and fold it to the top. And turn over and fold this point to the top. Okay, open the pocket, bring the sides together, and flatten. And there's the square base. It's harder for me because I'm standing up, there's no chair in here for me to sit on. But I'm gonna do my best. Okay, and now we're gonna do is, here's the open side. Let's rotate it. And we're gonna fold this in half. And try and hold the layers down so they don't slide. Yeah, I'm in my brother's apartment right now. I'm inside the bathroom. Alright. And unfold, and now we're going to fold this flap up. We're going to estimate thirds. So you want this to be equal to this. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just do your best. And unfold, and now we're going to fold this up so that this crease aligns with the middle crease. And make sure this point aligns with the middle line. Okay, unfold, and there's our guide mark for this next step. So now, zoom in a little bit more. We're going to take this point and we're going to fold it to the middle crease, well, to the intersection right there of that crease. I'm sorry, I don't have a pointer with me. Alright, see? That's what it looks like. And same here. You can fold this point to that point. Okay, and let's do that on the back side. Okay, like this. Alright, now we're going to do is, we're going to take all layers here. We're going to fold this point up so that this point aligns with this crease, and we're folding right on this point right there. Crease sharply, and let's do that on this side. So fold both layers up so that this point aligns with this crease, and we're folding right on this point where this crease is the edge. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And now we're going to take, so here's the open side, we're going to fold this point up, and we want to fold it up so that it aligns with these 2 points. So pretend like there's a crease going in between those 2 points, fold to that crease. It doesn't need to be perfect. I mean, if you want, you can make a fold if you want to be exact, a light one. There you go, you have a guide mark. But you can just estimate it if you want. Alright, so we're pretty much done. We just need to close all the edges off so it's a flicker. So just fold them up just a tad. It doesn't matter, well, yeah, make sure you're on the side with these 2 flaps. Here's the top of the Easter egg. And just keep the layers down, fold the edges up just a little bit like this. And just do that all the way around with any edges that are double edges or multiple edges. Like this. This edge is fine because it's just one edge, one folded edge. That's good. You don't need to fold that one up. But yeah, we do need to fold this one up too. Alright, skip this part and fold this long part up here. Okay, and same here. And voila, there's our Easter egg flicker. Pretty cool, huh? So you can give it a little bit of curvature and make it fly a little bit better. Oh, and one thing that I discovered the other day, you can actually put eyes on it if you want. You don't need to do this, but if you want to make it into like an emoji, you can fold this in a little bit like this, and then just to taste, and then squash it. That's so tricky for me because I'm standing up as I'm doing this. And also I'm looking at the viewfinder. Try and get that pocket open, there it is. And you can squash it, just like that. And you can do the same thing on this side, but I'm not gonna do it on that side. I'm just gonna keep it like this. So this is like the two-dimensional version of this vase, which I'll be teaching in a couple weeks. For that tutorial, click here when it's available. Okay. Alright, now here's the Easter egg flicker done. Make sure everything's sharp. You can just place it on the table and just make all the edges nice and sharp. That way it'll fly good. Alright, and give it a little bit of curvature. Alright, now I'll show you how this flies. Okay, let me zoom out here. So you just hold it like this, and I'm gonna flick on this edge. Okay, I'm gonna flick it across the bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna flick it towards the door, not towards the bathtub, so that way I don't get it wet like I did in the intro. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it right here, and I'm gonna flick on this edge. So here we go. That's an excellent flicker. And here's the magenta one I folded, the one that got wet in the tub. At least it still works. The water's already dry. Yep, still works. I'm still keeping it. All right. Oh yeah. And then as promised, in a couple weeks, I'll make a tutorial on how to make the 3D version, which is an Easter egg vase with eyes. Okay. Well, hope you guys like this Easter egg flicker, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Here, I'll flick it one more time, and I'll show you in slow motion. Alright, see you guys later.